So the referee's whistle signals the start of this semi-final. Often they're nervy, tetchy occasions, but players have to rise above that here. Certainly the pedigree, the quality is there in both these sets of... And again! Well, there was only going to be one outcome, really. Oh no, what a shame, the flag's up. So that goal will not count.
His delight is very short-lived. The referee's assistant did have his flag up. It might have been close, but it was the correct decision.
Holds on to it. Chose to pass rather than shoot, and maybe the wrong decision. Lifts it over the top. Into the ball flying behind for a corner, deflected. To the target in the centre. That was a poor pass. Didn't look before he played it. 3 minutes gone in the first half. Modric. Luka. Here's Knezovic. And Modric. Really stopped in his tracks there. Well read. Good anticipation. Write a textbook on what we've seen today. We're waiting for the first goal, and a good cross could set it up. And he's having a go. It's there! First blood!
Did that really happen? Quick, play me the replay!
Goal number 3 clocked up in the cup. He's on a decent run of form now. Leading by a goal to nil now as we get underway once again.
Always a good time to score, especially if you score it.
Good cross, might give us another goal here. Had to make it, and he did. And a shot! And he was obstructed there. Referee gives the free kick. Until the half-time whistle. Great opportunity. And a possible. 2 targets in the box. Deflection on the cross, it's a corner. Who's waiting in the middle? Hits it well. They have another scoring opportunity. It's sailing across the face of the goal. Now possibility down the flank. Now maybe shooting opportunity. Now an opportunity to cross. They've won another corner. Drives it to the near post. The ball still with them here. Modric will be very hard to shake off the ball. Modric. With Robert Kovac. And Rakitic. Wins the ball, great defending. They escape the danger at the cost of a throw-in.
Concentration key.
Now, can he get the cross in? And now a shot. Skimmed the roof of the net there.
Could the defence have closed him down earlier? Perhaps so, but I still think he did well to make space for the shot.
There will be 1 more minute added on. Holds onto the ball. Maybe now. Keeper's got it. There goes the whistle, and it's half-time. There's the signal for the start of the second 45. I've got this funny feeling the scoreline may not stay the same. He's coming up from the back to join the attack. Poor cross, really. No one could get on the end of it. No, it's been intercepted. Now a chance for a cross. It's a corner. Good chance here. Delivered to the near post. The defence caught out there. There's the chance. Thwarted by a fine save. And back it goes from where it's just come. Didn't get anywhere near the ball. Free kick. Looks like fresh legs are about to be introduced. This looks promising. Things up, but that won't come unless there's more of a cutting edge with the strikers than we've seen so far. Possibilities beckon. Looks like he wants to change things round at this point. Just needed to keep it down.
Well, it's worth a try, just unsuccessful.
Worker. A bit too much weight on the pass through. Needs to work the keeper. Another one. And I have to say, with the scoreline at 2-0 now, they really look like running away with it, with enough time to score even more.
Well, quite simple, this is just smashed into the middle of the goal. Absolutely unstoppable.
He's made it 5 from 5, and that's why he's the first name on the team sheet. The manager has decided... changes here. 2-0 now. We expect either side to start making changes.
That goal should calm a few nerves, especially those of their manager. He might even be able to provide a smile for the camera now. Just needs to ride out the remaining few moments.
With possession here. Here's real danger. And he's coming in. Just caught offside there. Got behind the last defender, but the flag was up. How about that for tackling back? Now here's a chance. And he puts it away to put them firmly in control of this game. Now the lead is extended to 3, and they are at last looking comfortable.
Now that's...
You have to say they... Everything looked very easy. 3 up now.
With every goal they score, they just improve their position here.
Needs to be accurate. Oh, how many times do we see this happen? Tipped it way over.
Credit to him for evading his mark and making enough space for a shot, but the execution was poor.
And this substitution is their second of the game.
This substitution should help them protect their lead. Someone who can break up the opposition attacks early on.
If ever there was a lost cause, it's surely on display here. The team just doesn't look capable of any sort of comeback, let alone one of the epic proportions needed here. And suddenly the defence is on the back foot. Opportunity down the left side. Hits it well. Oh, he's made it beautifully.
Well, you'd have to say the manager's earned his money today. What a substitution that is.
Just listen to this. The goal richly applauded by all corners. hard, isn't it? The clock counting down. Ball one, good defending there. Fires it from distance. Shot blocked. Schöner. Brought an end to the attack. Keeps the ball in a good position. Poor effort, got the shot in, way off target.
The manager will be pulling his hair out.
Two additional minutes being shown on the board now. Only the keeper to beat. Possibility here. They'll have a chance from this corner. Cuts it short to a teammate. Neat skill. Very comfortable with the ball at his feet. And they have numbers in the middle. Defender quick to see this one.